All right, let's get right into it. If you're an expat living in the UAE, you already know the drill. It can be a real challenge finding a bank account that doesn't hit you with high salary requirements or demand a huge minimum balance. But you can relax, because we're going to sort that out today.
So, does this question hit close to home? Do you need a proper bank account but without all those tough strings attached? If you're nodding your head right now, stick around. You are in the perfect place.
In this explainer, we are counting down the top 3 zero-balance accounts you can get your hands on right now. We're going to look at the good, the not so good, and help you figure out which one is the absolute best fit for you. So let's kick things off with our number 3 pick. Coming in at number 3, we have Sharjah Islamic Bank, or as most people call it, SIB. Honestly, this is a really solid option, especially if you're just getting set up or have a more modest income.
So what makes SIB so great? Well, first off, it's super accessible. You can open an account right on their app, and the minimum salary is just 1,000 dirhams. You heard that right. Plus, zero minimum balance, no salary transfer needed, and they'll even give you a free debit card and checkbook. But for a lot of expats, this last one is the real kicker. Free money transfers to India and Pakistan. That is a massive, massive perk.
And getting set up is incredibly easy, seriously. As long as you're 18 or older and you have your Emirates ID or UAE pass handy, all you have to do is download the SIB digital app. The whole process is designed to be super quick and painless.
Okay, so SIB is a fantastic choice for your day-to-day banking and for sending money home. But what if you deal with a lot of cash? What if you need more ways to actually get money into your account? Well, that leads us perfectly to our number 2 option.
So let's talk about our second contender, Al Maria Bank, which pretty much everyone just calls Mbank. Now, this is a fully digital bank, and it has one very, very powerful trick up its sleeve.
And here it is. This is Mbank's killer feature. You know how one of the biggest headaches with digital-only banks is figuring out how to deposit actual cash or a check? Well, Mbank has completely cracked that code.
I mean, just look at this list. You can deposit cash or checks at any Fab ATM machine. And on top of that, you can walk into major exchange houses like Rulu, Al Ansali, and Arita to do it too. This huge network is an absolute game changer. It makes Mbank probably the most convenient digital account out there for anyone who still handles physical cash.
And the sign-up process? It's a breeze. You can literally have a working account in under 5 minutes using just your UAE pass. No stacks of paper, no waiting around. You get a virtual card right away so you can start using it immediately. But, there's always a but, right?
So yeah, while Mbank is incredibly convenient, it isn't completely free of charges. And these are a couple of things you definitely need to know about before you jump in.
First up, the physical debit card. If you want one, and most of us do, it's going to cost you a one-time fee of 26 dirhams to get it issued and sent to you. For some people, no big deal, but it's good to know up front.
And here's the other thing to watch out for, the account non-utilization fee. It sounds scary, but it's really not. It's basically a fee for having a dormant account. But the good news is, it's so easy to avoid. All you have to do is either keep a 500 dirham balance or just make one tiny transaction, buy a coffee, whatever, once every 3 months. That's it. Do that and you'll never have to pay this fee.
So let's be clear. Mbank is the undisputed champion if you need to deposit cash easily. But what if your number 1 priority is simplicity? What if you just want an account where you never ever have to think about hidden fees? Well, that brings us to our number 1 pick.
And here we go. Topping our list, the number 1 zero-balance account, according to our source, is Royal Bank. It really focuses on one simple, powerful promise: no surprises.
And really, just look at this. Royal Bank is a completely zero-balance account. There are no hidden fees, period. The minimum salary is just 1,000 dirhams. You can get it all set up in under 5 minutes with your UAE pass, and they deliver a totally free debit card right to your doorstep in just a couple of days. It is as clean and straightforward as banking gets.
But nothing's perfect. Royal Bank does have one pretty big weakness. Unlike Mbank, it has very, very few of its own cash deposit machines. So if you're someone who often needs to deposit physical cash, this could be a real problem for you. This account is definitely built for people who live a purely digital life.
So we've looked at 3 really strong contenders, and each one has its own clear pros and cons. The truth is, the best bank isn't the same for everybody. It all comes down to what you need and what you value most.
This little chart breaks it all down perfectly.
Look, if your main goal is sending money home to India or Pakistan without fees, Sharjah Islamic Bank is a no-brainer. If you're always handling cash, Mbank's incredible deposit network makes it the clear winner. But if you barely touch cash and just want the peace of mind of zero fees, Royal Bank is the one for you.
And that's really the heart of it, right there in that quote. None of these accounts is perfect. They all have their strengths and their weaknesses. The whole point of this is to give you the information so you can choose the best account for your life.
So, it really all comes down to this one question. Take a second and think about your own financial habits. Is the convenience of easy cash deposits worth managing a couple of potential fees, or is the absolute peace of mind that comes with having zero fees the most important thing to you? Your answer to that question will tell you exactly which bank account to choose.